Hi, today I'm going to tell you about Sonic Select and how to install it on your phone. Sonic Select is our new online tooling catalog and it incorporates all the Sonic tooling essentials you need for your drilling operation. So let's get started. Today I'm using an iPhone, but you can use any other brand. When I open the browser, I can go to our website, royaloutcome.com, and find the Sonic Select landing page, or go directly to catalog.royaloutcome.com. When I'm on that website, I can click on the square with the arrow on the bottom of the screen, or if you're using another brand phone, you can click on the three-dotted option menu. When I click on it, I scroll down to find the Add to Home Screen option, click on it, and then click on Add. Now Sonic Select is added to your home screen and ready to use. So next time, when you're in need for Sonic tooling, check Sonic Select. Good luck!